Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today's topic is the e-signature feature in Google Drive. This feature has been around for a while, but surprisingly, it's underused. Long story short, it's incredibly useful. With this tool, you can sign contracts globally even if the other party doesn't have a Google account. Let's get started. So let's look at the screen. Open a PDF in Google Drive. Click the three dots in the top right, and select Request e-signature.
Oh, I didn't realize we have this function in the PDF inside Google Drive.
Yes. Let's use the service agreement as an example. This is perfect for freelance contracts or NDAs, feature very common in business. So from the menu on the right, simply drag and drop fields like signature and data sign, okay? So scroll down and signature, you drag here. And name, okay? And data signed. That's it. Woo.
Nice, it's so easy.
Yeah, so easy. So you can add fields for yourself and the other party. It works for two parties or even multi-party agreements. You can select Manage Signers and add another signer 2, and save. So you change the signer and drag signature to here. And the name, okay, so I delete it, okay. That's it. Wow.
Wow, no effort at all, and the tool just in front of us.
Yes. So once you are ready, just click Request e-signature. So enter the recipient's email address here, add a short message like please sign and hit send. And Brown, so Alex. Okay, so send request. Okay, that's it.
Oh, that was so fast.
Yes, so fast. So what does the recipient see? They just open the email and click open. Here. Wow. Okay, so no app installation or account creation is needed. They can just type their name or draw a signature in the browser and they are done. So scroll down and start. So you sign here, Anna, Brown, Anna, and adapt and sign. And name, click this. That's it.
Wow, no trick at all, and I feel much easier than the other tools that we paid to use before.
Yeah, exactly. So you click here, mark complete, and check it. Agree and continue. So close the window. That's it. That is all, okay.
That's so simple. What happened when Alex signed the document?
Okay. So for Alex's email, you can see the e-signature signed. Wow.
Oh, I see. So who sent the contract will receive one notification once the opponent has signed already.
Yes. So I click sign and open and start for Alex and I signed it. Alex, Nissy, Alex, and adapt and sign and name, mark complete and check it, agree and continue. Close the window. So once signed, the status in Drive changes to signed and both parties receive a PDF copy. It's incredible. So let's take a look at this email. Wow, e-signature completed. So I will open this and got it. Wow.
What is the third page?
Third page is important things, okay? So you can see the both sign and crucially, it includes an audit trail. This is very important. So it records when who signed the document. This is essential for proving the integrity of the contract. Great!
I see. That we can save so much time, money, and also the safetyness when we sign a document contract.
Yes, obviously. You can also request signatures directly from Google Docs, not just PDFs. So just go to Tools, then e-signature. Tools and e-signatures. That's it. So you drag here. Okay? Oh. Okay. It's difficult for me. And the name. Okay. Name. Yes, that's it. So request e-signature and enter the recipient's email. Anna Brown. Okay? So please sign and request e-signature. So creating e-signature PDF, this is important. So it's okay. So let's check the email on the Brown and click sign. Yes, this is made from document. That's it.
We don't need to make a PDF to send it uploading another system. We just make the contract directly sent from Docs.
Yes, but actually, I think the PDF is easier than the document.
Is there any reasons for that?
Yes, I can control the sign and the name freely, but in document, it's difficult to set the correct. Okay?
The design indeed, as you said, when you add the signature from the PDF, it looks much better.
Yes, much better. We confirmed it works perfectly with non-Google email addresses and browsers like Microsoft Edge. No matter what tech stack your client uses, just send the link, it follows the global standard. So according to Gemini research, for NDAs, freelancer contracts, and quotes, this Google feature is legally sufficient for most cases. However, strict exceptions exist for things like wills or real estate deeds. Always consult a professional for high-stakes contracts. But for 90% of daily business deals, this is enough. It's revolutionary to do this right inside Drive without paying for extra tools like DocSign.
Yes, Nissy, indeed. Nowadays, we work seamlessly with so many people around the world.
Yeah.
So if we have this function, it makes much easy to sign contracts overseas for small businesses or to third-party any works.
Yes, it's very efficient. So how was that? If you use Google Workspace, you should definitely be using this feature. It fits perfectly with modern, fast-paced business, especially for international deals. Please give it a try. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.